Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Jonny here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have stumbled onto this channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already followed me and already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. I really mean that, and welcome back. So I wanted to shoot this quick video to give you a little update of where I am. We are now into day 17 of my 3K in 31 days challenge, and for those of you that are familiar with my channel will know that I've been basically exploring various different ways of trying to generate money online. Now in this video, one of the ways that I wanted to talk about was drop shipping. Now, for those of you that want to know more about drop shipping, make sure you check out my video. I will leave a link down in the description below. But with regards to drop shipping itself, there are a whole host of many advantages. One of the advantages is that you don't need any money up front. The other advantage is that you don't need to hold stock. So you don't need to buy any stock. And thirdly, you don't even need to hold it. You don't even need an inventory. Okay, so those are three good reasons why dropshipping is so appealing. But having said that, there are some disadvantages if you don't manage it properly. Now, with dropshipping, you can do it in a various number of formats. One format is that you can have a Shopify store, which I have, and you can also dropship by using various different selling platforms like Amazon and eBay. Now, the one thing that I did want to draw your attention to, for those of you that are looking to adopt drop shipping or are considering of doing drop shipping, is just to be aware that if you're not managing it properly, you can get caught out, so be careful. And one of the things that I wanted to highlight here was, if you are thinking of drop shipping on eBay, that means that you're sourcing your products from, say, Amazon, Alibaba, or even your local supermarket like a Tesco here in the UK, Walmart if you are in the United States. If you're sourcing your products and you're basically selling them using eBay, you need to be careful, because it is very easy for you to basically sell a product on eBay, but then when you come to buy that product or source that product off your supplier, be it Amazon or your local supermarket, sometimes, and it did happen to me, is that the stock's no longer available. Okay, so what do you do in that situation? It means that a customer has basically placed an order with you via eBay, expecting the item, but now you can't get hold of the item. You are potentially going to let that customer down. Now, like I said, I found it the hard way and I got stuck there. So what I had to do is I had to basically surf around the internet trying to get hold of this product. And luckily, I was able to get hold of this product and send it through to the customer. So I was quite fortunate. But the takeaway from that is that if you are going to drop ship, then you need to make sure that you have a good supply, a good number of those products in stock. For example, if you're on Amazon, there's no point drop shipping an item if there's only three or four of those items in stock, because the chances are by the time someone buys it from you, you may not have that in stock when you need to order it. So you need to be careful. The second thing is that because I wasn't able to provide the item from my initial provider, at the time it was Amazon in fact, and I had to source it somewhere else, I was very conscious that I had to either lose profit because it'd be more expensive from this alternative provider, or I may have to add money on top, which is the worst case scenario. So I'm actually losing money. So again, you need to be careful when you are drop shipping. Look out for those two things. One, make sure that there is a good supply of those items in stock before even attempting to drop ship those items. And two, make sure that if you are out of stock, that you try to find it at a reasonable price. Like I said, I was quite fortunate that I didn't even have to go down that route. That I actually found it for the same price that I was selling it for anyway. So I just wanted to bring your attention to that really. Drop shipping is great, it is wonderful on the surface, but there are some things to look out for, and if you don't do it properly, you can get caught out and it could cost you. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that, guys, with you. I hope you found value in that. If you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've been stung by dropshipping before, and if so, share it with us, because you know we want to learn off each other. Also, make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about the different things that I get up to, if you want to keep up to date with my 3K in 31 days challenge, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications bell, so that every time I put a video out there, you will be notified. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to speaking to you on my new one. Bless.